Alright guys, so I started recording this. I made a nice little intro. Anyways, I went to Meijer. I had to go there for a money order, so that's where I went, and so that's where I got some stuff. Didn't go full grocery shopping, but I did go and get some things. So I got some celery because I was really craving some French onion dip to dip that into. I got some fresh broccoli, some avocados. I got the kids some birthday cake ice cream. You can put that away now. Because I got myself some Enlightened ice cream, which for half a cup is only 6 net carbs. So that's good. I got that. And then I think this one is only for half a cup 5 net carbs. I got the mint Enlightened. I still have some Halo Top birthday cake in there. I got, how many pounds is this? About 4.34 pound thing of hamburger meat. I plan on making some egg roll in a bowl. So they had the broccoli coleslaw on sale for 3 for $5. So I got 3 bags of that, and then that's plenty of burger meat. I can do all kinds of stuff with that. I really felt like having a roast, so got us a nice big old Angus beef roast. For tonight, I got some roasted chicken. I don't think I'll have any of this tonight. I might have some for lunch tomorrow. The kids are going to have that. For myself, I got a pound of the Deli's chicken wings, bone-in. It's, of course, no carbs. And, yeah, just chicken wings. I got some, provolone cheese because I seen some, that's what I forgot to get a cube steak. Ella Lifts Bacon, she made this amazing looking cube steak and she put provolone cheese on top of it. It looks so good. I'll link her channel right here. They had these on sale, these cheese head combo packs. They're originally like $3.30. I got them for like $2.15. Then the Cracker Barrel sharp cheddar cheese sticks, also on sale. They're originally like $4. I got them for like $2.50 something. I got these regular Mission flour tortillas for the kids on taco night, and then I got myself some of the Carb Counter tortillas. These are 5 net carbs. I got these little tomatoes because Tiffany loves them, and I like having one every once in a while on the salad, a couple, and that was 2 for $4. I got some ground chicken because I do plan on making my chicken crust pizza sometime this week or next week. I needed some grocery bags. I love the Glad drawstring with the nice smells. I got some of these Southern Recipe small bit. What is the name of this brand? I guess that's the name of the brand. I don't know. Southern Recipe Small Batch. That's the name of the brand. It's a weird name of the brand. Yeah, the freezer is packed. Anyways, spicy dill flavored pork rinds. Interested. Heard they were really good. I got that. And then I got the sea salt and cracked black pepper. Kids like using these. So I got a couple of these. I use them every once in a while too. I like to put them in my sparkling waters. They're 0 carb, no calories. So I got 2 of those. Got this nice big old thing of beautiful pickles straight from the farm. Ooh. Can't wait to have those. Kids needed some jelly. Got some jelly. These are comparable to the sparkling ice. These are the Meijer brand. Come on, focus. No carbs. So this is watermelon, and then I got pomegranate blueberry. I've been seeing people drink this. I wanted to try it. Blueberry, Diet Coke. No carbs. I like to enjoy Diet Coke every once in a while. Got the Meijer's Clean Day Lilac Scent Multi-Surface Cleaner. I've never used this brand before. I see a lot of people using it, so I want to try it out. I got 2 things of cottage cheese and a big old thing of sour cream. They started selling Lily's chocolate at Meijer. I was so excited. I picked up the creamy milk, the salted almond, and then just the regular almond. And these are really good. They're sweetened with stevia if you've not had them. For half of a bar, stop jumping please. For half of a bar, as you can see, the net carbs are pretty good. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16. That's like 4 or 5 net carbs. They differ. Like some of them are, but generally they're around 4 or 5. Some are 6, depending on what flavor you get. So I got those, and then I'm going to enjoy myself a glass of Merlot, 4 net carbs, and I've been staying pretty low on my carbs all week. So, I mean, after I eat my dinner today, I still have 11 carbs. So I'm gonna enjoy some wine. So that's it, guys. That's what I got from Meijer. Got some coupons for things that I can't eat, so I'll probably use them to get things for the kids or something. But yeah, I'm hungry. I'm gonna go. I hope you guys are having a great day, and see ya.